Focus! Damn.
So, before the video starts, I know there are gonna be a lot of you asking the reason for me wearing sunglasses at home, but there's no reason. There's literally no reason.
Welcome back to the channel. So, today I'm going to be customizing all the switchboards in my room. If you don't know what a switchboard is, it's the thing you put on a light switch. It kind of looks like this, or like this. Start the video.
Rose. Oh yeah, I'm finna pop. Yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God, she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause.
Know a couple shooters that hit you on the block. Ain't a janitor, but I hit you with a mop. Better watch your friends, they quick to turn the odds. And that bitch nigga will play you for a thought. Ain't no style watch, yeah, my shit go TikTok. Jumping in out the bendo like it's hopscotch. My nigga in the kitchen and he whipping in the pot. Watch me see him twirl, then they drop. Gotta cut the limo just to cut the top. They be like, geez, why you always hot? 2019, we shooting videos on yachts. Baby on the bike, he be doing 12 o'clock. And I'm clipping on.
The paint I ordered finally arrived.